For property professionals like you, a reliable planned maintenance schedule is essential. Fixflo helps you meet compliance requirements across your portfolio. Using templates, you can set recurring tasks for your properties. You'll be reminded when they are due, so nothing slips through the cracks. If you have specific contractors for particular jobs, then you can set up your schedule so that they will automatically be instructed for the job. Trouble finding reliable contractors? Our Contractor Marketplace has thousands of vetted contractors, fully trained to follow Fixflo processes. They will handle all of the admin on Fixflo for you, from arranging appointment dates with the occupier, to uploading reports and invoices, to adding remedial actions. You can automate each step and give yourself hours back to focus on more important tasks. Thousands of property professionals are using Fixflo to manage planned maintenance, keeping 1.6 million homes and workplaces compliant. Book a free demo and see for yourself.